Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope that everyone's having a great day so far and that you're enjoying the content you're finding on my channel. Today I want to share a recipe for lazy day lasagna. This is really easy for those nights that you need something quick to make. All you need is mozzarella, some marinara sauce or pasta sauce, and just some frozen ravioli. You will also need a 9 by 13 inch oven safe pan or dish. Now to make this, all you need is these 3 ingredients, but for us we actually like to add the Jimmy Dean hot sausage and a half a pound of ground meat to it. Just feel like it gives it a little bit more substance. I will brown the ground beef first and just add some garlic powder and some pepper to it and just cook that until it's done and then drain off the fat. Then I will also cook the sausage and drain the fat off of that, and then I will mix the two together and then add just a tiny bit of the marinara sauce and maybe about 1/4 of a cup or 2/4. I just want enough just to mix it in with the meat just to give that flavor. Now spray your pan with some non-stick spray so that way nothing sticks to it. Then I add just a little bit of the pasta sauce to the bottom of the pan, and I've already used some in the meat, so you may have more than I do when this is done. I take a 20-ounce bag of the ravioli, and you want it frozen, not defrosted, and just lay them down in rows until you have it completely covered on the bottom. Now I want to cover each of the raviolis with some of the sauce, and I'm doing it this way so I can make sure I have enough instead of pouring it completely on top of it. Now if you're just doing the 3 ingredients, you will just add the mozzarella next, but since I'm adding the meat to this, I will add the meat first, and then after I completely have that layered, then I will add the mozzarella on top. Now take the rest of the ravioli that you have in the bag and just place that on top and just make sure it's covered. Now I actually had 41 pieces in this bag, so that worked out great. I had just one left over and I just found a place to put it. And then after I did that, you just continue to layer it with the sauce and then the cheese. And as I said, I'm using meat, so I will layer it with that. And the last layer that you have should be the cheese. And I also take a piece of aluminum foil and I'm going to cover this, but I've shown this in different videos where if I have something I'm going to cover with cheese, I always spray the aluminum foil with non-stick spray. That helps that from sticking to it and burning. So I cover it tightly, and then I will put this in the oven on 350 for about 35 minutes. And I usually take it off about 15 minutes before it's going to be done to let that cheese brown. And this is what it looks like when it's done, and it really is a delicious meal. Didn't take me very long to make, about an hour total. And I served it with just a simple salad and some garlic bread. And like I said, we really enjoyed it, and it was great because I needed it for leftovers, so I didn't have to worry about cooking the next night. So it really is an easy dish to make. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.